Are you upset?
No, just bored. Thinking about what I can do next.
How do your two drones compare at night?
Yeah, nighttime comparison would be nice.
You should use the new flight interface that I developed.
Why did you change the parameters?
Initializing.
Oh. Oh, that looks pretty cool.
Goggles.
Oh. What is this?
Interface goggles.
Did you just make these?
Yes, I solidified them after initializing a transfer on the molecular basis.
I'd love to give that a try, man.
Sure you do.
I like this new interface.
Thank you.
That's some pretty cool stuff.
Initiate mission.
A nighttime comparison? Sounds good to me. Let's do it. Okay, I really like this interface that you created.
I knew you would be
Good
impressed.
fun. Okay, pull up the Mavic.
Synchronizing.
Alright, and pull up the Evo. There you go. That looks good.
Apply settings.
Okay, you are synchronized, you're ready, right?
Correct.
So let's set the let's set the ISO to 6400 and put the aperture to f2.8, white balance to 5500, 4K 30 1/60. There you go. That should be our standard color profile. We don't need log.
As you wish.
Okay. Yeah. So, let's give it a try, right? How about
A synchronized flight with
Yes.
both drones initiated.
how about we take off?
Taking off. Ascending.
Okay. Bring it up to maybe. There you go. Maybe to 100 feet.
100 feet it is.
Yeah, you see, I like the clarity on the Evo. It looks really good. The clarity is really good. The blacks are not as crushed. You have a little bit of noise on the Mavic side, but everything else seems to pick up more light.
The difference is noticeable.
Yeah. See how you're panning over with the Evo, and you just increase the height a little bit on the Mavic, and still it looks different. It looks more. I think the Evo has more clarity in it in the nighttime shoot,
I agree.
but I really like how much light the Mavic picks up, though.
Aperture seems to catch more light. Ascending.
Yeah, increase height a little bit. That's good.
Optimal height 250 feet.
Yeah, I really dig it. It's okay.
Attempting to find the right
Yeah.
angle.
See, I know it's hard. You have a wider field of view in the Mavic, but she picks up a little bit more light. But she looks a little bit more that she's a little bit more noisy.
I agree, but it's fixable in post.
You know what I mean? She's noisier.
Scanning for eastern direction.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go look east side.
Both drones.
Yeah, we can look with both of them. East side. There you go. So that's the city itself. You see, the Evo does not pick up as much light on the streets itself, on the highway that runs around in the backside, but she has more clarity in detail.
You said that already.
Where are you going?
Proceeding northern direction.
Okay, let's go look at the other side. So that is the old courthouse, or that's the new courthouse actually with the old Kmart. So you see how,
Yes, I see.
yeah, with the Mavic you have some stuff on the top.
She does show
You
more
have,
image.
yeah, see, you have the moon, you can see the sky, and on the Evo, I don't see that, but it looks cleaner. The image looks cleaner,
Yes, it does.
and it looks like that the white balance, even if it's set to 5500 on both of them, the moon has a reddish pitch on the Evo. You know what I mean?
I understand.
Okay. How about the backside of the building?
Switching location.
There you go. We're still in the backside of the hotel right now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so we're
Ascending.
looking at the, what is this? The Bayfront side?
Correct.
I think I really like the Evo stuff. Even though it's darker, the image, it looks more detailed and cleaner. But I like the Mavic 3 and how it has, like, it picks up more light. The Mavic 3 picks up more light, while the Evo 2 differentiates in it more drastically in blacks and colors and lighting. She's just a little bit more, while the Mavic 3 is a little bit more softer. Like, you can see more on the image, but it's a little bit noisier. While with the Evo 2, you can see a little bit lesser, but it's more detailed.
You said that already
So,
3 times.
I don't know. This is going to be a tough one. I think I like the detailed part, and it really comes down to personal preference, how you want it at nighttime. But I think the Mavic 3 has some power to it, but I don't know. For being a brand new drone and having the Micro Four Thirds, it really seems to be coming down to the canvas.
Correct.
The canvas size itself, and when you look at the canvas size based on pixels, I think the Evo has more than the Mavic 3. Am I right?
Evo 16.8 million versus Mavic 13.8 million.
Okay, see, so that's what I mean with that. It's really, I like this interface, man.
Focus.
Sorry, I'm getting distracted.
What's next?
Okay, so, but
Applying
what about
noise reduction. That looks acceptable.
Okay, yeah, I hear you. But what about zoom capabilities? How about that?
Oh, I see a nice contrast in color with that pool.
No, zoom capability.
I heard you.
Yeah, I want you to,
Initiating search for object.
I'm sorry.
What are we zooming at?
No, okay.
Searching.
Wait, stop.
Stopping.
With the Evo, you stay on it right now.
I'm on it.
You stay on it right now with the Evo. Okay, so that building in the back over there, I
Object
want you to zoom in
detected.
on that.
Zoom to max.
Yes. Times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6. There's 2 more stages, right?
Yes.
Times 7 and times 8.
Looks blurry.
Okay, it's blurry, and you can tell that she doesn't pick up as much.
No, she doesn't.
You know what I mean?
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah, she doesn't pick up as much detail on it. So yeah, right there with the Mavic 3 times 4 times 7, right? Are you drifting? What's going on?
It's windy tonight, 25 miles per hour
Oh, yeah.
gusts.
Okay, times 14 and times 28. Look at that. Can you like zoom up a little bit? I mean, scoop up.
Gimbal up.
Yeah, lift the gimbal. There's supposed to be a, yeah, there you go. There's a statue. See, there's a little bit more lighting that she picks up, and for 28 times zoom, it's pretty darn good. And you can see right now, you can actually see the moon, and you can see some of the stars, and the clouds itself too. That's
So
pretty
nice, the
impressive.
moon.
I mean, for a nighttime thing, what are you doing?
Moon.
Are you zooming into the moon right now?
It looks so nice.
It's a freaking light source. It's just going to give you a big dot. It looks like you're looking into a flashlight.
Moon.
Come on,
So
man.
nice. Not what we're looking
Yeah,
for.
we're looking at other stuff. Let's look at the harbor or
Ending
something.
transmission.
That was pretty impressive.
You liked it.
Yes. And I totally dig this new interface.
Did it help you tonight?
I think I got my answer. I think the Evo 2 and the Mavic 3 are both low light monsters, except for that the Mavic has a, you can work that in post though, yeah?
Yes,
You can work that in post, the noise,
I
a
did.
little bit, denoise the image. She picks up more lighting, and she has an incredible zoom. I really like that.
It is impressive.
Yes. Okay. Well, we'll let our viewers know. Don't forget, COVID-19 is still out there to get you. Wear your mask, be a nice human, and wash your hands. Aloha, everybody.